Looks great. Look at the lines. See the lines it leaves. You can hear it picking up stuff that the other vacuum didn't pick up. You hear that? I can hear everything rattling through it. This is the best vacuum we've ever owned. We have a lot of pets. 4 dogs, 2 cats. There you go. Now you hear that? It's amazing. Alright, my wife just vacuumed with our Shark vacuum, and within the last week, and you could feel how much dirt this vacuum pulled off. This was flat, and I can't believe how much dirt is in the bottom. As you can feel how heavy it is. You can tell that weight of it is bringing it down right away. So this is set to auto right here for the floor, but you can set it to low or high. There's another filter here. It's your HEPA down below. But yeah, this thing's amazing. It works so much better than the Shark that we have that we thought worked good. That's a really cool feature about this. No retractable cord. You wind it here to here, but this handle, you just flip that off and take that off of there. So, and you got this wand, which you can't do it with one hand, but this extends just by pulling this out. Pull that out for me. There you go. So that's a good 3 feet there, so you can get up in the corners and get after things that are out of reach. And you can add these attachments to it to even get longer there, especially this one.